Okay, so today we're going to do counting collections. Well, every day we do counting collections, or every other day, but you don't have to use anything special. You can use beans, and I know we're scarce of beans right now, so if you don't want to use beans, we also have some little soup noodles. Emilio got some coins yesterday from the leprechauns, so he's using the coins he got. You can use anything that has a lot of the same thing, or like Pokemon cards, or I have these coffee stirrers that I bought one time. There's a lot, so we can use those. We can use cars. We can use
glasses,
Legos. We can use anything that you might have at home. That's a lot of collection.
like these.
Now for first grade, sometimes we'll go up to, let me try to turn this around. I can't. Sometimes we'll go up to a collection of 50, sometimes like 48, sometimes you can do 76, like any random number you can do. Like, don't give them this whole collection, that's a lot. Grab a handful, whatever comes out. Do like 83 as your highest, or 92 as your highest if your kids have that stamina to count that much. But usually we'll stay like in the 40s, the 30s, the 50s, but it just depends on kids, because some kids can count a lot and I'll give them a lot more collections, and some kids get tired, or if they can't count that much, and they'll give them less collections. So this is what it looks like. Today we're going to use our coins, and Emilio has a notebook, but you guys can do any kind of paper, like use the back of a paper. We were going to use this. We can use any kind of paper. And what you're going to do first is you give the child your collection. Now, you don't have to be there. You could just hand them the collection and walk away, because they should know what to do. So I'm going to stay here because I'm going to show you how to do it, but you don't have to. Okay, so give them the collection, and then this is what you're going to do. Okay, so Emilio decided to count only the chocolate coins, which is cool, and we'll use these tomorrow. Okay, ready, Emilio? So go ahead and count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Oh, good. So did you guys notice how he put them in groups of 10? Remember, you can put them in groups of 10, you can put them in groups of 5, or you can put them in groups of 2. 10 is the easiest, 5 is the next, and then 2 is the hardest. So he put them in groups of 10. So now can you count them, Emilio? ¿Cuántos tienes? How many do you have?
10, 20, 21, 22, 23.
23 chocolates. I bet you he had more, but he probably ate them yesterday.
I did.
Okay, ahora los vas a dibujar. Now he's going to record what he found in his counting collections. And parents, if you want them to have fun, you can use just a pencil, or you can like give them their markers or their colored pencils or pens. And then, so he wrote his 10 and he labeled 10. So we know that's 10.
And I put a circle.
And put a circle around it. Okay, síguele.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Vas a label.
23.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, they're right here. 21, 22, 23.
Very good. So he labeled each one. He doesn't have that many collections, but parents, if yours have a lot of collections, Then labeling 10 and then 10 here. Sorry, 10 here. And then 3 left over. That would make it easier because then you don't have to count every single one. You just go 10, 23. Okay, so that makes it easier if you have a big collection. You can also like circle it if you want. 10, 23. Now, did you notice how Emilio didn't go 10 and then go 10 and then go 10, 20, 1, 22, 23. He counted each one, and that's what we want the kids to do, is to count each one, go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so they can remember how to count their numbers. And this is a 7. That doesn't look like a 7, but okay. 21, 22, 23. Good job. So then parents, when they're done, they can tell you, Mommy, I'm done. Papi, I'm done. And then you go and tell them, oh, good. If I gave you 10 more coins, how many would you have? Sácate la mano de la boca. Hand sanitizer. So you can ask them, if I gave you 10 more, yo lo traigo. If I gave you 10 more, how many would you have, Emilio?
I would have. I would have. Let me think.
Go ahead and think about it. I'm gonna get 30. Not 30. You're close. So you'd have 10, 20. Y otro group of 10. Another group of 10 would be 31, 32, 33. Good job. So if you had 10 more, you would have 33. What if you were close? What if I took 10 away? What would you have?
I would have 23.
So if you have 23 right now.
10. 13.
13, yeah. What if you had 23 and I took 1 away? What would you have?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, remember, we don't have to count all over. We know this is 10.
20, 21, 22.
22, very good. And parents, you can do that. You can take some away, add some, ask them how many, ask them how many they would have if they had 10 more, 10 less,
Can I have this one?
5 more, 5 less, 2 more, 2 less, 1 more, 1 less, and then you're done. That's your counting collection. That's what it looks like. You guys can give them a star. Make them feel special. Tell them how much you love them. I love you. Tell them they're good mathematicians. And then they can eat one when they're done.
Yay.
Okay.